I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: lightning fruit unlocked enough, and a safe spawn zone where you won't die mid-change. Next, equip the fruit and open the color modifier or dye interface in customization. This is where you'll actually change visuals. Once done, position your avatar in neutral stance so the game registers new color packets. Make sure to save current preset as a backup. That prevents losing a look you liked if the modifier glitches. Now you dive into the complex middle. Select a strong base hue, blues, purples, or cyan, then tweak saturation and brightness to hit that neon pop. Use accent channels for inner glow and electric streaks. These control where lightning concentrates. Once you set sliders, preview with a short ability test so the engine applies combat lighting and particle effects. If the streaks look dull, increase contrast and reduce ambient brightness. This forces electric highlights to stand out against your character. Finish by locking the preset and exporting or screenshotting the final look. This saves time later. Then test in a private server. Use a short combo to verify particles and edge glows persist under combat. If colors glitch, relog, clear client cache, and reapply the preset because session sync issues often cause failures. One troubleshooting tip: if lightning still looks off, lower GPU post-processing or toggle shadow settings. That often restores true color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.